this balloon, I'm going to be using two 260s. In this case, I have the dark blue and the lime green. Alright, so for that lime green, I'm going to blow up almost all the way. And the dark blue, I'm just going to need a little bit there, so about that much. Alright, so we're going to start on the lime green there and make a loop twist that their hand can go through in order to grab onto the handle. So twist that around and push the nozzle through. And then make one more loop twist. This one's a little smaller and it's big enough for the rest of our balloon to go through. Alright, so we'll grab the end of that balloon. It's now flush on the end as we push the air toward the end there. Go ahead and push that through that second loop twist we just made. And then pull it almost all the way through. So you have a little bit left on that back end there of the laser blaster. Alright, we're going to grab that second balloon. In this case, I have the dark blue. And we're going to start by twisting what's going to be the handle that they'll grab onto. So big enough for that. And then do a 1-inch bubble that we will make a pinch twist. And then now we're going to do a loop twist that the shaft of the laser blaster will go through, right about that big. All right. Now I'll grab that lime green main part of the blaster and then just push that through that loop twist we just created with the blue one. So I'm going to push it in and then pull it all the way through. And you want to pull it up so that you can tie in where the air stops on that blue one. So I'll snug it in a little more and then I'll just tie it in right in there. Right where those loop twists are on the green. So tie that in tight, and then you can take off that excess. Make your adjustments there. All right, and that is the laser blaster. Looks great, guys. Good work.